right, guys, you ready to have some fun with this? The first one we're going to do is generate a funny meme. And we're going to head over to ChatGPT to help us brainstorm with this. Now, I already have a couple of ideas, but okay. So help me with an idea for a funny meme. So here's a meme idea. A picture of a cat staring blankly with its arms crossed, front paws tucked. Top text, when you told me you change, but you're still the same. Perfect for relationships, dieting, bad habits, poking fun at your friends. Okay, so let's go with that one. So we have the caption, right? So we have the text. Now we have to generate the image. Now, I subscribe to ChatGPT, so I'm going to ask it to create the image for me right here. Otherwise, I do have OpenArt AI open and readily available. And let's open up Canva too. Okay. So ChatGPT created the entire meme for us. So that was easy, but let's just assume you don't have this capability. What you would do is I'm going to ask it, just for the image. Because I'm going to show you how to do this in Canva. All right, so there's the image, but let's come back up here for a second. So if you're happy with this, if you do subscribe to ChatGPT and you have the premium version and you can create this entire thing, you're done. It was really that easy, but I'm going to go ahead and just download this one. I'm going to save this. Okay, that's downloaded. Now, I'm going to take this one. I'm going to download this guy. And I'm going to open up. Oh, wait, okay, when you told me you change, but you're still the same, okay? So I'm going to need that text. Let's go to Canva. And then I just typed in meme in the search bar right here and create a blank meme. And we're going to grab the image. And we're just going to drag it in. All right, and you can use or experiment with different templates. This is a meme template. Not crazy about this layout, so but I'm gonna leave it for now, and I'm just gonna add text. I'm gonna add a heading and when you told me you change, but you're still the same. Okay, and then you can modify the fonts. I like that font, and then the colors, and then you can put an effect on it, which I actually like using neon. I can't really see that well, so I'm going to change this background color to black, and then I'm going to add a few dots in here. There we go. Okay. All right, so that is just one example of how you can create a meme. But if you're not sure, if you don't have any ideas of what you want your meme to be about, you can ask ChatGPT to give you random ideas for your memes. But it really is that easy, you guys. So when we're done with this, you want to share this and download it as a PNG. Okay, there it is. Cool. All right, so let's just run through that real quick one more time. We're going to review this. So just open up ChatGPT, and then it says, help me with an idea for a funny meme, and it gave me this idea. If I didn't like this, I could ask ChatGPT to change it, or if I have a thought or a topic or a theme, then it'll give you captions for that. And then I asked DALL-E or ChatGPT to create the image, and it actually created for me the entire meme. So it really was that easy, and I know I'd get a lot of clicks on this because I have a lot of friends who absolutely adore cats. So this one is a winner. Again, it gave me the text. If I didn't want it, then I could get rid of it and ask the DALL-E to create just the image. Now let me open up OpenArt AI. I had mentioned this before. So this is just an example of using another image generator. If you have a favorite image generator, just use that. You can experiment and explore with your favorite generator. So I'm going to write judgmental cat with its arms crossed. And I want to make this realistic looking, so I'm going to look at the models and choose the right ones. Let's go with new reality. I like this one. Photorealistic. And aspect ratio, art print. Let's see down here. Square. Let's do square. We're going to do a square one. And I want 4 images. And again, the links to these programs are in the description and also in the downloadable PDF that I provided below. Okay, nice. All right, I like these. That's a good one. Okay. So let's say I like this one. Looks like a fat cat. This guy right here. I'm going to download this. And I would do the same thing. I would just drag it into Canva, and then I would add the text on top of the image in Canva. Here's Canva. And then you can type in different templates too. You don't have to use this meme one. And I believe that's it. Okay. And your last step, if you choose to share it, would be to post it on your social media accounts. Definitely get a rise out of your friends who love cats or whatever you're posting. So, okay, you guys, we're going to move on to number 2.